In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can block spam messages on iPhone. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So first you have to go to your messages app, and here you have to select any sender that you want to block, and then click the profile icon and then click block contact, and it's going to block that contact. But this is what you can do for a single contact. To block spam messages, what you can do is go to settings, and then you have to scroll through and find this apps app over here. Once you click this apps section, it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to scroll through and find messages app. You can use the search bar and search for it. Click messages app over here, and then it's going to bring you to this page. On this page, scroll down until you see this unknown senders option. And under this, you'll find this screen unknown senders option and filter spam. You simply have to turn these options on. Just click it and toggle it on. And once done, you're good to go. And make sure you turn this option on as well that hides notifications and move messages to the spam list. Now, it's going to just block spam messages on your iPhone. And that's how you do it.